What's up, my people? Welcome once again to a day with me. You know, it's a beautiful life out here. I mean, man, check out the view. That's how we live over here. But of course, call me a broken record, but I will not stop until my people are finally free from the shackles of financial stagnation. Today, I'm feeling a little joyous, just like last time when I got that spot for my old people, for my parents. And you know, I've been in my place, and for a while now, I've been alone, but I think I needed something bigger. You understand? I got tired of the rents, the stress. You know, I don't want that too much talk with landlords and all of that. I don't like the procedures anymore. And of course, you know, you can't put a shark like me in a small container. I decided to get a spot for myself, and that's why I'm bringing you all out today. And of course, you can take a look around and you can see that it's beautiful buildings here, but I'm going to take you all to that tower and we're going to check out something beautiful, something nice for me. And of course, I want to get something bigger so I can have some of you come over. I remember I told you guys that my place was it's private. And of course, I just bring like close business partners to hang out and we discuss things. But right about now, I'm going to be having little parties. I want people to come in. I want to shake off those fears and so we can grind together. One more important thing. Now, if I'm buying this place, it's not just for show off, but I was thinking, because I'm not only hung up on trading and all of that, but into real landed property and things like that. You know how these things build value over time. Don't even get me started on that. We're going to get deeper into it, but for now, let me not confuse you. Let's stick to the business of today, which is checking out the spot that I am hoping I'm gonna pay for. Let's go. All right, I'm excited.
Look at this.
All right, yes. Yes.
Nice, yeah?
Yes.
First of all, this view. Oh my God.
Oh no. Holy Mary, Mother of
view.
God.
Yeah.
Just look at that river.
Yeah.
Look at the view.
All of the city, and you can work and enjoy yourself.
Yeah, I think so. It gives you, it's a breath of fresh air. If you're feeling blocked, you can just look outside and connect again.
Right.
And get right to it. All right. I think I like what I'm seeing so far. Full packed kitchen.
Right.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah, for men it's perfect, right?
I like the sound of that.
No headache.
I like the sound of that. Yes. How about this? Is this real?
TV, yes.
This is real?
It's not real, but it's kind of.
Unfortunately,
you know,
yeah, but it's good. I like.
It gives you vibe.
Yeah. It definitely adds taste to the place.
When you enjoy it at night, it gives you a real vibe.
Where do I sleep? Yeah.
Yes.
So.
Also very bright. Also, window is big.
A view too.
And you have a city view as well.
I don't think I'm ever gonna leave my room. I have the view here. Same thing. Like, just from another angle. It's beautiful.
I love that.
It is beautiful.
Perfect.
Oh, yes. 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 Yeah. Oh.
Very well designed.
Yeah, I can see that. I don't know how much you know about this place, but I have a load of questions, but I don't want to bother you with them. But I think so far I like what I'm seeing. I like it.
Yeah, interior design is very nice.
Yeah.
Guest toilet here, just near living room. So if your guest is here, they don't disturb your bedroom. You can.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you the question. I think I like what I'm seeing. I called a few other realtors and I saw a couple of apartments, and so far I've just been between what to choose and where to go. But there's something about this particular place, and I don't know. But what do you think? Is this a good fit for me?
Oh my God, yeah.
Are you just saying that because you want to sell the place to me, or because you think it's a good place? Because I need your honest opinion.
I want for myself.
Of course. All right. If you want it, then that means it's a hot.
I would love to live here.
Yeah. I think so too. I think it's quite nice. I love the view.
It's very comfortable couch and it's just very comfy.
Yeah, of course. Try it out myself. Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes, this is good. This is actually really good. I love it, and I usually like a certain theme for my house when it comes to decorations, but I think I like what I'm seeing so far, so I might not change anything. I might just work with what I'm seeing, and truth be told, I'm tired of the stress going about seeing agents and trying to find apartments, so I think I'm gonna work with this. And it's a little bigger than, of course it's bigger, quite bigger than my former place. And also, aside the fact that I'm tired of the rent every year. I just have to remember to call somebody.
Yeah.
And yeah, I equally have mentees coming to my place. I'm into trading and stuff like crypto. I don't, not to give away much, but I have mentees who have been wanting to come over for close-ups, meetings, one-on-one. So I think this space will be a lot better to have them come over. And since you are suggesting that it's a good place,
100%.
it's nice. And I equally like your energy. You've been very nice and you've showed, I think you've done your job quite well. So I am going to take a moment and I'm going to think about it.
Sure.
And yeah, I would put a call across and I'll let you know. Forgot to ask that question. Does this place come with you? If I'm buying the house, are you coming along with the house? Because I would love that. I would love some company
here. If you buy
here.
it for me, okay.
Oh, interesting. All right, so we'll think about that. Now this one's for me. And we'll think about one for you. Yeah, we'll think about one for you. Like I said, I'm gonna take a while, grab a drink, and then think about everything and put a call across to you. And since you said, I asked you if you come with the place, and you said if I'm buying the house for you. So here's what we're gonna do. What are you doing tomorrow, day after? Maybe we could sit out, have a drink, and talk about it. The possibilities of us, first of all, moving here before getting you an apartment. What about that?
Okay, sure.
You love that?
Sure, yeah.
All right, then I'll
Give
send
me a
you.
call.
So yeah, I'll give you a call and we'll set up something.
Okay.
How about that? All right.
Perfect.
So I guess I'll be seeing you soon again. So right about now, I already put the call through and I talked to the real estate agents earlier on today, and she said she was gonna be ready in a couple of hours. So I'm gonna go check out the place because it's almost time. And possibly, why not? Maybe have a late dinner with her, you know. I deserve it, and maybe we deserve it. We could hang out, you know, and share ideas, of course, because she's real estate and trading, and she could, you know, enlighten me more on her game, and I can enlighten her more on my game, and that's how we grow the economy. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. What's up, guys, and welcome to another amazing session. I don't know about you, but I've been all right, re-strategizing, and it's time for us to go again. I don't know if you still have your doubts, your reservations, if you're still procrastinating, but I would like to share a little story with you. My dad used to tell me about this man. There's this story, I don't know how real it was, about this man who was drowning, and then he kept reaching out and he kept praying to God, you know, asking God to send him a helper. And I don't know, but in his mind, I think he kind of expected God to send him like a big boat, you know, and 100 or thousands of helpers to come and save him. And then he sees, I don't know, but a log of food like floating just right across him. And you know what he does? He tells himself, I'm not sure that could be it. This cannot be God helping me. So I don't know, but sometimes that is the place where a lot of you put yourselves. You want to, you know, break through. You want to break away from financial stagnation. You want to give yourselves a better life. And then you miss out on opportunities that are right in front of you. Now you think it's supposed to come in, I don't know, the full package is supposed to be handed to you, but I want to remind you today that you have to take action because that is what the universe rewards. Now, I've created a Telegram channel, of course, and it's for that purpose and to that effect. There's everything you need. There are the tools there and the guidelines to get you started. We've broken down everything. We have mentors there that are going to guide you through. There's a 50% top up on your first deposit. There's easy to get money, free questions that you can answer. You have a lot to gain by just clicking on the link and joining us over there. So enough said and done, we are going to get right to the crux of the matter, what is happening today. I'm gonna take on a trade, of course, and I hope you walk with me. Okay, and now for the practice, this is what makes my lifestyle possible. I'm adding fractals and I'm moving average, changing its types to TMA and setting the period to 50. We need precise signals. Now I'm just going to, now let's make the line more noticeable and bold. We would, I think we can immediately move on to the market analysis. This is the simplest trading strategy for quick profit anytime and anywhere. Now remember that the MA or the marginal, average is below the price and the asset is rising. So now we highlight the fractals, simply drawing the lines from them just like this. Just mentally repeat this after me on your own chart, or you can use like drawing tools. It just depends on what you are comfortable with. Now, when there is such a crossover, the quote will always go in the direction of the breakout. And this is our only rule for entry. Remember, now look at the current movement. There was a fractal breakout around here. Then the asset moved below to marginal average, and we could have had an opened, we could have opened a series of trades on a decline. I don't know anything simpler for you, friends, and yes, we immediately rush into the market long. There's a reverse signal, of course, and just look at this. Now the MA is crossed upwards again, and there's a fractal breakout. And that's it. That's all the signals have aligned into one, and we are going to the moon. And let's discuss the main trading principles for all of us. I and my students just follow a simple rule. Never give up and just relax. Now, the market is going against you. Is it going against you? Okay, we'll change that direction to can't make money. We understand. Now, we take a pause and work on the mistakes. Got burnout and tired of everything. Okay, we rest a few days and enjoy life. I know a couple of guys, whom trading is like some game against everyone. Now, there's me and there's the market, and I must defeat. Now, relax, bro. We all came here for the money. Yeah, taking money right now, and I'm taking my money, and now let's go to a new chart. Oh yes, so we are definitely trading a trade short, my friends. A bit of analysis. We have a breakout of 2 fractals downwards, and the quote is clearly said to fall even further. Now, the MA also indicates a decline phase. So without a doubt, we make our money. Now, to be 100% sure, let's check the higher time frame. It's absolutely elementary here. Our asset has been falling for a long time now. And, personally, I don't need any other proof. So now we just wait. And yes, I want to tell you that all your dream goals are much closer than you think. Now, if you want to develop in trading and progress every day, welcome to the team. Pal, all you need to do is work with me and, with a pro. And I will give you everything to start, my advice, my training, my trading deals. Just write DM I want to act, and we'll discuss your growth. We'll pick it up from there and we'll move slowly. So, okay, that was just elementary. And now, my friends, let's now move smoothly to the finish of our mini session. Now, I'll make another trade right now. Of course, there's no point wasting time. I already told, my students that one thing is never give up, and that's the secret of our success. Now, we don't whine about the market going against us. Don't complain about fate, and don't look for someone to blame for your failures. We just act, bro. We just get to it. Now, right now, the market is going against me, okay? And I'll just make a hedge 2 times the risk, but I can afford it, of course. A trade in the same direction, and its goals is simply to cover the potential loss. Now, I don't bite my nails and don't complain about the market and don't try to play victim at all. Now, I control my trading, and that's exactly what a professional does, and that's why I'm a professional trader. Now, for any fiasco, I have a plan B, of course. For any trading strategy, 10 more in reserve, and that's the way we move. And at the same time, I get plenty of sleep and I can afford it. And of course, a lifestyle that many don't even dream of. Now, okay, close to the first trade, I think it's at a loss, and I don't care. I'll close the second one in profit. Trading, okay, my friends, first of all, is freedom. Now, the freedom to risk your capital, to multiply it here and now. And it's the best job in life, and I think one that will bring you real pleasure. Do you want that kind of freedom? That's the question I have for you today. If you do, then we are on the same path. And meanwhile, I'm closing in profit, money on the balance. Guys, enough. A hungry man is an angry man. I don't want to have people coming around and I'm being grumpy. All right. Okay, by the way, I told you guys last time that I have favorite spots in this city now where I'm in. And I was talking about the move from home, when you get that nostalgic surge. I always used to think that moving out of home was going to be very difficult for me, especially when it comes to food, cuisine and all of that, because I'm really big on home food. But ever since I got here, I got introduced to this place by a certain friend, and ever since then I've been coming here by myself, and I sneak out and he doesn't even know. It's become my favorite place. It's just everything. I was talking big on nature last time. You can see how and where it's situated. You can equally see trees and everything. I could be home and just, have them, bring it over. But, stepping out, coming out here, meeting people, face to face, it's a different kind of feel. It's a different kind of feel. If you pull up to a place like this, first of all, and the reception is mad because from the entrance, before, let me take you back to a little bit to when we were coming up, like back home. If we went to even maybe a barber shop and you had just maybe the amount that you normally know you pay, and then they start giving you extra treatments. They want to wash your hair. They start doing you a little massage. You remind them, first of all, that this is my budget. Now, when you come to a place like this, you have the workers here. You have a few people who are lined up at the door. They all greet you. You know, it's like something like you know, the Chinese way. They bow and they greet you and they're very nice. Be careful, my brother. If you come here, if you go anywhere and they act like that, check your pocket first. But we're not scared because at this point we can afford it. It's all good. I love the place. It's expensive, but you know, every now and then it's good to treat yourself to something. You feed the body, that works the money. So, all right, guys, I'm waiting for my order now. So I just mentioned that a friend of mine actually brought me to this place, and ever since then I've been stealing myself and bringing myself here to this place to eat. So what I want us to do is, because I just testified that the food is good, this is not the first time, it's not the second time. They don't miss the mark. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pick out one person. That's why I always ask you guys to keep the comment sections very active and lively. So I'm going to pick out one person randomly. We're going to come out here and we're going to try the food together. We are going to taste the food together, and the person himself or herself is going to tell you how it is, and that's how we're going to keep it moving. So as always, keep the comment section active. Bon appetit to moi. Okay. So this is not just about me buying a big house to live in. This is about me laying the groundwork for my future, investing for myself, my future self, of course, and why not my children? Yes, I've been thinking about that for a while. Let's see how this lady, this real estate lady looks. She might just be the future mother of my kids. Let's go, people. Oh, it's a beautiful crib. Hello, Julia.
Hello.
Nice I'm back.
See you again.
Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. I'm back, and I'll have you know that this has got to be the fastest decision I ever made in my entire life.
Nice.
I was on my break, and I was having my coffee, and I couldn't wait to finish up to call you to come meet you, and then let you know that I finally decided to take the place. I don't know, but something about this one just speaks to me. Right. Yeah, so I think I will be taking the place. I will be taking the place, of course. So if we can go ahead and discuss if there are any formalities, if there's anything that we need to do. Of course, sure. I know there'll be paperwork, so you can just tell me about it, and when I can get the keys, I'll be very willing to pay as soon as contract is ready or anything like that.
Perfect decision, I would say. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're going to be really lucky.
Thank you very much. You were very convincing. Life. You were very convincing. Actually, here, you were very convincing. So, what's it gonna be?
So, yeah, I would need your passport details.
Okay, very well.
And I will contact the owner of apartments.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it will take 2-3 days to make agreement.
No, that's not a problem.
So make sure all details, everything is correct.
Exactly.
Zero problem.
I wouldn't want any hassles.
And I will try to do it the best for you.
No,
as more as possible, as fast as possible.
I'm counting on you. Because the money is ready, so that's not a problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 2-3 days, and I think key will be in your pocket.
Okay. So do I have to meet you for the keys, or the owners, or how
I will call you.
Okay.
When you send me details of your passport, I will make an agreement. We'll check everything, all documents.
Yeah.
And when it's ready, I will call you, and we will meet here, and I will give you the key.
Okay, but that's not the date, okay? Don't consider that is the date. You meeting to give me the key. We have to fix another date, of course. I haven't forgotten. Okay, so thank you very much for your time again, and hoping to see you 2-3 days. I'm counting on you because I have other things that I need to catch up with. So I'm putting this top priority, finish up with this, and then I can move in.
Perfect.
So thank you once again. I'll be seeing you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you. It's been quite a day, all day. We've been to the park, nature, we've been filming. I think it's been exciting for me. For those of you who binge watch a lot, I think we've had enough content to keep you going. And of course, when you see a young dude like me living the way I live, I know that you get motivated. Yes, sometimes you get that rush, you want to get to it and start doing your thing also. And then after 5 minutes, you don't want to do it again. But here's my advice for you. There is always a place for everybody. There's space for everyone. There's a lot to go around. This is not about me showing you a flashy life and giving you the impression that you can just get up, go and just take it from somewhere. No. It's about making the step. This is about changing you psychologically, emotionally, and changing your priorities one day at a time. You understand? I've come out here today just to, refresh, restart, just for the breath of fresh air, connect with nature again. You know how it is back home, you turn around, it's always there, but I've had to leave home and drive all over to this beautiful park just to, connect, and breathe, just to refresh. And hopefully when you look at this, you think to yourself, all right, I want this too. How do we start? All right, there's the social media, right? We've created that. There's the Telegram, we've created that. We have the YouTube, everything. It doesn't matter what you choose to reach out to me first, you understand? You can get to the YouTube, leave the comments, and that's why I always want it to be interactive. Leave a heart, leave a like, leave your questions, and I will get through to you. The comments are usually many, yes. The likes, they're always many, but I take out my time. I don't do it alone, so we will obviously get to everybody. If you've gotten to me and I haven't reached out to you, keep insisting. Please keep insisting. And of course, keep it interactive. I promised I was going to take one person. Next time, I'm bringing you to my favorite restaurant. We're going to eat and just, have a feel of how it is, like a day in my life. So thank you, and until next time, I see you guys. I love you, and God bless.